Welcome to USI Studios. In this video, we'll show you how to create a cool game menu step by step. Whether you are making game for phones or computer, this tutorial is perfect for you. At the end of the tutorial, our main menu will look something like this. So let's get started. In the beginning, we will start by setting up a control node which serves as a foundation for our main menu. Within this control node, we will utilize a VBox container to organize our title and button neatly. Now let's set its anchor to the full react and alignment to center. Now let's create a label. This label will serve as a title. Consider our game title to be Platformer 2D. Now let's set its alignment to center. We will also increase the font size to 50 pixels for testing. Now another node inside a VBox container will be SBox container node, which will contain our actual buttons. So let's set its alignment to center. Now we will add some buttons inside the SBox container. Our buttons will be texture button node. I am going to use the Godot icon as a placeholder for now. As you can see, the gap between buttons is quite small, so we will increase the separation in the SBox container. You can set it to your liking. Separation between title and buttons are also small, so we will also increase the separation in VBox container. As you can see, it's really simple to create a structure for our main menu. Now let's make it a bit beautiful by adding background icons and fonts. Here I have imported a pixelated font and some button icons. Those icons are made by me and you can find it in my SIO page. First, let's assign font to the title label. In the font property of the label node, you can drag the font and you can now customize however you like. I have changed the font color and enabled shadow, which will make it a bit better. Now in the case of buttons, you can simply drag and drop those button textures in the texture property of the button. Now after changing a bit, this is what my main menu looks like currently. Now the only thing left is to add a background. We will use a texture react node inside the main node to display the background. You need to set its anchor point to full react also. You can now simply drag your background texture into the texture property of the texture react. After applying texture, we will need to enable the expansion, which will scale our background nicely. As our scene is complete, you can now simply connect each button signal to the main menu script. I have already set the scene switching and button audio play code, so now let's see how it works. As you can see, it is working really nicely and this looks really nice for pixelated games. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions. Thank you and bye.